Hello, hey you guys. So today is November the 4th and today is our official moving day. Yesterday was supposed to be the moving day, but I don't know what happened. Whatever the case may be, they'll come the 4th, the 5th, and the 6th. They're gonna roll everything out into crates. So yeah, as you can see, this living room is a whole mess here. So what I'm doing, I have a little station. I was sitting up over here, and yesterday the guy told us that they can't take things in bins. They would have to take everything out. So now I have to go through all of my bins and take out the stuff that I had in bins and try to repack it or put it away, you know, just pull it out. So pretty much that's why I had to redo things that were in bins here, because the quality insurance guy came through yesterday. So whatever, I pushed the couch out the way. This is pretty much the extent of my decor that I have left that I didn't sell. The things that's here on this little rack, the little bit that's on these two little shelves, or this is the rest of the decor that I'm holding on to. I may go through it as they are packing it up and pull some things away and just put it out to the curb, because as soon as we put things out, it goes away. Here in my closet, and I have to take this thing down. It's just one piece. I can just pull it all down out the ceiling. I just have to get up there, take all this down. The blue tape means they don't have to take it, for them to just leave it here. I have to take it down. I don't want anybody to get cut on that glass. So I put blue tape, say don't touch, but they can take this acrylic stand there, and that's pretty much the extent of. So that's it, you guys. It's been a journey to say the least. It's definitely been a journey. When we moved out here, if you guys been rocking out with us for a while, you know it took months before we got our stuff. It was a delay coming here, and now it seems like it's a delay getting out of here. But one way or another, kicking, fighting, and screaming, we're going to get out of here. So this is the things that we're traveling with. We're going to put in U-Hauls. I'm going to keep that little hook and travel with it. But I've just been placing things that we're using. Let me go upstairs and show you. I love my pillows. I really love my pillows. Well, let me come upstairs. I already went through my daughter's room. And see, this is only thing the movers is going to pack up. Is this out of her room? No bed, no dresser, no bookshelf. Got rid and sold all of it. We're actually gonna put this in our U-Haul trailer and take this to her, because some of this stuff, when she hopped on a plane to start school, she couldn't take it on a plane. So I just got her a wardrobe box and a few knickknacks. And this is pretty much, maybe I can take this stuff and put them at the bottom so I can eliminate this box, so we won't have so much stuff. But yeah, that's that. Nothing in this bathroom is, I guess they can take the, maybe I can take the pictures off the wall and sit it in her room, and then they won't have to take anything from this bathroom, because I cleared all of everything out of there. The movers are here. Oh, the movers.
The date is the 4th.
Get that broom off of there. Oh, this room in here is for him. He doesn't have a bed. Only thing that's getting moved is his mattress. We got rid of his stand in here. This big old dresser, all of it is gone. So pretty much the only thing that's been moved is the mattress and his little stand and TV. Okay, so we just did the initial walkthrough to let them know what goes, what stays, blah, 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 like that stuff. It's a little bit of a whole bunch of knick-knack stuff everywhere, but a lot of it is not even going anyways. So once like this is a whole like bunch of junk right here, but that's not going, you know. They don't have to worry about packing that stuff up. I got rid of a lot of stuff, even though we still got quite a bit of stuff. There we go. He got it. Ooh, it's all in one piece too. I'm trying. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh, be careful. That's why I put it up there like that, because I knew one day it was going to have to come down. Hand it to me now.
It's so bright.
Ew.
Hold up. Hold it by here. $1 million.
Hey. Look at that right there. All in one piece, girl. Hey! I was a little embarrassed by all the stuff everywhere in the house. But the lady was like, nice house. So, guess I'm not as embarrassed. But I was. I'm like, it's stuff everywhere. It's a mess in here. Ah! But they're here, y'all. It is time to move.
Right. You cried yesterday.
I did cry because they didn't come. I was so distraught. Like, I had to go lay down and take a nap. When they said, oh, they're not coming today, my whole life just like, I'm like, here we go again. Coming to here. This is our only duty station where we had this many problems with household goods shipping and now picking up. That's a sign of why I didn't like it here. Turn it. Go. Okay. When you fall. Okay. 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 All right. Hello?
Yeah.
Why do you want to play with me?
I mean, yeah.
Hello, I see you're calling again. Jesus Jr. is occupied at the moment. Would you please leave a message with our secretaries here at Jesus Jr. Incorporated? Have a blessed day.
Darnell, I don't have time for this right now. Why haven't you went to Walmart?
I am leaving Roy's now. Let me pass this message to Jesus Jr.
What are you calling me for?
Why are you acting up on the phone?
Because you're calling me for no reason.
Because you should have left and went to
I leave
Walmart.
when I'm good, ready to leave.
Oh, excuse you, sir.
They taking that much break in the truck. They could have actually left with something.
No, they save and reserve money. You know, it's called a budget. You don't eat out every day. Everybody's not rich like you. They don't have that mindset. They want to eat out every day.
Well, if you follow the 10-step Jesus Jr. program, you too could be rich in a matter of months.
A lot of sacrifice. Please go get my Sprite and lunch.
What lunch?
I don't know what we're going to eat.
Exactly. I'm about to go get this water and this Sprite. What cereals?
Hey y'all, so it is pretty late in the afternoon. It's almost 3:30 our time. The movers, the packers, are on a little short break outside. So I'm gonna pass the camera alone so Davion can give you a walkthrough and see the progress here.
All right. We're going to Davion's room, aka my room. It is fully packed for the most part. You know, we got the bed, we got all the desk areas, dressers, we got all the stuff from the top of the closet right here. There's the PS4, not PS3, my bad. Got my desk right there. Why is it so blurry? Fix it so, come on, camera. Dang. Well, here's a little bit more to do. We got, it's fully packed. My room is complete. And then, looking at the bathroom, most of it is gone. So, and then we got more to go. Boom.
Just go in the middle and spin around.
Hey you guys, it is the morning of a day 2 of packing out. They started here in my bedroom a little bit yesterday, but I went on and stripped my bed. I'm going to keep this mattress protector on there, but I'm just placing items because they said they couldn't ship things in bins, so I have to remove everything out the bin so they can individually wrap every single item. Yeah, and then this is just the stuff from out of my bathroom, like rugs and stuff. Some of the things the lady left over there from my closet. Yeah, so This little box that's in the corner, I'm making stuff that I'm gonna keep and we're gonna take with us. So I'm just making, like, you know, storing things over there, and all the containers that they can't ship things in, I'm just gonna take them with us. And that's that. This is the stuff. She's already removed some of the floral out of this planter in here, and I just placed it up there so it wouldn't get in the way. Yes, my chandelier is down, and yeah, she has to just finish packing up the things that's left in my closet. This is the stuff, I placed it right here from my bathroom. Don't mind all this mess. I'm actually putting my little pals to get rid of stuff before the people come. But yeah, this is the stuff that I'm only taking from out of my bathroom. I'm keeping all of our towels because we still have to shower and all that, and we'll just have to replace them when we get moved into our new place. But yeah, my table and a little decor, and this is all from the bathroom. Okay, here goes the progress for the first day. This is all of our stuff pretty much from the living room and maybe a little bit from the patio. I'm not sure. But this is all of the extent that we have. I was going to try to take this, but this is too large and it takes up too much space. So I'm just going to let them ship it. So me and Darnell, we just removed the countertops from here, so they can just pack up all of these that we purchased when we first moved in, and we created this. So yeah, we took off the top. Now they can just individually do it. All right, you guys, so my closet is packed out at this point. Let's vacuum this up. I'm going to roll this rug up whenever the mover wants it, but it's vacuumed. Oh my goodness, look at this. He didn't went and got how cute is this? Oh my gosh, he done made us a little makeshift table for lunch. This is our lunch. We're back to eating out because we can't get into our kitchen. And what you got? Ooh. So that's his food. This is our food. And the boys are in the back of the car eating their lunch. This is the middle moving chronicle. Sitting in the back. No. Eating. Day 2 of moving. Y'all excited? Day 2 of packing. Good morning. So it is the final day. Today is the 3rd day. They're going to be here shortly to pack up and finish everything off and load the crate to place all of our items in storage. Bittersweet moment at this point. We stripped the bed. We're going to leave this one, what is this, protector on the sheet. And these are the curtains that were not removed yesterday. And pretty much everything else is good to go in here. They're going to finish wrapping up this mirror and, you know, finish the finishing touches on everything that needs to be placed in a box. I placed that up there. So that one needs to be wrapped. The couch needs to be wrapped. They have to do a special wrap for the couch. This is the progress. There's a few more things that needs to be taken down, like those mirrors there need to be taken down, but though that's gone, the mirror back there is gone, my bar cart, the glass and mirror is gone, and look, the table is wrapped. I'm washing one more load before this stuff is also gone. So yeah, it's in the dryer, and then all of this stuff, of course, we can't take with us, so it's just up there, and when they finish, we'll clean it out. It's going to be a very long time before we meet again with our worldly belongings. Wow. This is the new normal for us now. First night here on the blow-up bed. I kept my little, what is this, salt lamp as my nightlight, and this is the original box it came in. Levite sent that to me like a year or so ago, and I still have it. Let me show you. So I thought it was great. I wasn't going to try to put it in storage. So yeah, there it goes. And it actually came in this box that I'm going to travel with it in. Alright, good night. Good morning. So he's taking all of the screws out the wall. This is where I had those pictures above our bed. So that's what my son is doing. And out here, yep, I still have my curtains up because I did not want to place them in storage for like almost a year and they would start peeling. So I'm just gonna take them with us. This is what I'm currently working on, is cleaning, especially like the high traffic area, the grout. And only thing I have is some hot soapy water, bleach spray, and this little stainless brush. And then just a rag just to wipe up all the soap. And it is making a huge difference. Like look, like this is the part that I started on, and look at the before. Look how dark and dirty that was. And then this is the after. So I'm so excited about getting, especially the high traffic area, like I said, cleared and cleaned out. But yeah, he has the drill and getting all of the nails out.